Alex. Welcome to Insights for You today. If you have never used citation generator machines, please do so right now after this video. First, you must know that making citations and compiling your bibliographies or references is a must for your academic writing. You don't want to be accused of stealing someone's idea or work. Citation generators are online tools that help you in arranging a manuscript appropriately and making bibliographies, references, records, or citations that are required. Citation generators help you to compile your references at ease using any of your preferred referencing style, be it APA, 6th or 7th edition, MLA, Chicago style, whatever method you want to use. Making your citation and compiling your bibliography may be quite tedious and full of mistakes. However, with citation generator tools, your in-text citation and referencing nightmares are over. Meanwhile, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you want to keep getting exciting and innovative guides on how to enhance your writing and your research work using modern technologies, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You don't want to miss any of my insightful videos. So let's jump to it. Here are my top 3 citation generators, and they are 100% free, but number 1 is the bomb. Wait for it, please. Number 3 on my list is CiteFast. It's available here in the link. You can see it now on my screen. CiteFast can help you to compile your references faster than you can imagine. It has APA 6th and 7th edition, MLA 7th and 8th edition, Chicago 16th edition, and lots more. CiteFast is a very easy to use tool. It provides you with details on how you can do your in-text citation and do your references very well. You can also cite or reference a web page, book, or journal, or other information materials with CiteFast. So let's see how to use CiteFast to cite a book. So here is Marquis' communication theory book. So just write the title of the book in this search box and click on the search button like this. Select the particular one, that's the year you want to use, because many may come up. Then click on Save Citation. So here we are. Repeat the same process if you want to add to your references. Now, if you notice, the bibliography is in Chicago style, but I rather use the upper 7th edition, so I'm going to change it from Chicago to upper, just like this. Okay, so if you want to add other materials like a blog, just do this. You can just keep adding all your references depending on the material you used. When you're done, Either use the copy and paste option, export, or save to your account to get a comprehensive list of your references or bibliography. You may need to create an account if you want to save your references in CiteFast. Number 2 top citation generator is Citation Machine. It was initially called Using Citation Machines Responsibly. Citation Machine is reliable and even has plagiarism checking software that uses technologies similar to that of Turnitin Plagiarism Checker, which you can use for free. But my focus is on its citation ability. So this is how we use Citation Machine. Just click on Create Citation. Make sure you indicate which type of material you want to cite and the types of the referencing style you want here. We're going to reference the same materials I used to do this tutorial for CiteFast. Just look at your screen and learn how to use Citation Machine. It is very easy to use, but my number 1 citation generator is the best. It's awesome. You don't want to miss out for it. Just stay tuned. Take note that many similar materials may come up, but just select the particular material you used in your research. Then click on Cite, Continue, and Complete Citation icon respectively. Keep adding to your references by clicking on Create Citation icon. When you're done, copy all your references, download or export to your word processing document. Very easy. My top citation generator machine is the Scribr citation generator. It automatically generates accurate references and in-text citation. Scribr has proofreading and editing software, plagiarism checker, and citation tools. Focus is on citation tools, so you can choose a referencing style you want to use, the APA or APA, MLA, etc. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use the APA 7th edition, but you can change it to the 6th edition here. So let's see how to use Scribr. If you noticed, other citation generators didn't add the edition for Macquarie's book, but Scribr did. beautiful thing about these top citation mentions is that you don't need to provide all the bibliographic details. Just a simple title or URL provided does the magic for you. Alright, intellect, so which of these citation generators do you prefer? Put your answers in the comment section. If you have any questions, please channel it to me. You can send me an email in the description box below or drop a comment in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Please subscribe for more videos just like this. Be safe. Bye.